Hi, I'm Rob from Eterra Attachments, skid steer solutions, and skid steer genius. I'm here to introduce you to the best-in-class small batch cement mixers for both skid steer loaders and excavators. Eterra manufactures two models in the Mix and Go series of compact cement mixers. The BMX 250 is for smaller machines, up to about a weight class of 2,700 pounds, and the BMX 450 is for machines with a lifting capacity of 2,700 plus. The Mix and Go cement mixers are a scooping style mixer. This enables you to take your skid steer loader or excavator, go up to the pile and actually scoop the material into here. So it saves a lot of manpower having to actually load bags or hand shovel in, whatever. You can also load bags on here. If you look at the top here, it's actually got a bag cutter on here. And so you can take a bag of Concrete or ready mix, throw it on here, it cuts the bag, the material falls down inside the chute. All of the Eterra mixers feature an enclosed chain drive gear reduction system with an integrated motor. One of the things you'll notice that's very unique about the Mix and Goes is that we have actually three ways of dispensing concrete. One is the standard way of mixing it through the internal mechanism and then dumping it, just like we would out of a bucket. The second way is we have a center chute here that's hydraulically operated, so we can connect this hose on and we can actually go over top of wherever we're going to dispense. It's very easy to install. All I do is reach up here, turn it and clip in. We can hydraulically operate this chute to dispense exactly the amount of concrete we want and put it in exactly the place that we want it to go. And our third means of dispensing concrete are through this side chute. This is an easily removable and reinstallable galvanized chute. We have a manually operated chute handle here. It has a spring assist on it, so it's very positive when it's open and when it's closed. One of the number one questions that people ask us are, how do I get the extra functions up? I only have one set of hoses. What we do is, in the BMX series as well as many of the other attachments that Eterra manufactures, is we use these electric over solenoid valves. And what this does is it takes two hoses and turns it into four. So what we're doing is we're running our main hydraulics through the auger system, but when we want to open and close the chute, we send a signal out through touching one of our controls on our machine that will trigger this solenoid and allow the fluid to go from the auger operation to the chute operation. This is where genius comes into play. Today what we're going to be doing is running a Bobcat 7-pin. We have one of our CAN bus controllers on here. This plugs directly into the end of the harness, and then this plugs into the Bobcat 7-pin. It enables us to run this directly off the controls of the machine. But if you don't have a Bobcat, if you have a Caterpillar, a Case, Kubota, whatever, we have different kits, 14-pin kits, 8-pin kits, as well as just self-standing wiring kits that allow you to plug this directly into any machine and work on anything. That is pure genius.